Hi Intermediates, and welcome back. We are actually doing something different that we haven't done yet, and this is called a supplemental workbook. So it is optional, not everybody needs to do it, but if you want to do extra work and practice your skills, then you can print it out and do it along with Jen. So remember, you need to have your pencil on hand and use your 3 fingers to hold it, and it looks just like this picture right here, so that your 3 fingers can move the pencil. Now my name has letters that start at the skyline, down to the grass line, back up to the plane line. The plane line has little tiny lines with space in between. The rest of the letters in my name belong under the plane line. Now, some of you may have a name that has letters that go under the grass line, and that would be called the worm line. So the letters in your name would go down here. Let's get started. So this first page reads, count the candles. We have numbers at the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's take a look at the first cake. It has 1, 2 candles. When we count, we cross off 1, 2. So we write a 2 in the box, just like the 1, 2 dots. Over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. Let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a number 5. Great job. Over here we have 1. So we're just going to cross off and write 1 in the box. Over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. Here is the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's even count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Write the number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 candles, and the number 6 goes right in the box. Terrific. Now, this page looks very confusing, but I'm pretty sure you can handle it. We need to look at all the numbers on the page. They go from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we're going to start at 1 and find the 2, which is over here. Touch the 1, drag to the 2. Now after 2 comes 3. Find the 3. Touch the 2, drag and go to the 3. After 3 is 4. Find the 4. Here you go. Drag in line. After 4 comes 5. Find the 5. Here it is. Touch 4, drag it up to 5. After 5 is 6. Find 6. Touch 5, drag it down to 6. After 6 is 7. Find 7, drag it down to 7. After 7 is 8, find 8, drag it down to 8. After 8 is 9 and 10. Here's 9, here's 10. Start at 8, drag a line down to 9, drag a line down to 10. Then we have 11, 12, and 13. Well, here's 11, here's 12, here's 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. Then we have 14, 15. Find 14, find 15. Draw from 13, 14, 15. Then we have 16, 17, 18. Find 16, 16. Find 17, 17. So we go from 15 to 16 to 17. And you're going to drag over to 18. After 18 is 19 and 20. So let's drag our marker or pencil or crayon from 18, find 19 over to 20. From 18, find 19 over to 20. You drew a dolphin. Great job. And for more of a challenge, you can color this dolphin B for blue. The next page has to do with rhymes. So, things that rhyme. I'm going to draw a line in the middle, and we're going to match things on this side to things on this side. House, cake, vest, coat. Boat, nest, snake, mouse. House, mouse, draw a line. Cake, snake, draw a line. Vest, nest, draw a line. Coat, boat, that rhymes, draw a line. Looks like we made a star design. How nice. The next page, we have items in a box. There is one saw in this box. Let's look for the one. 1. 1 is the first number when you count in order. Let's count the screwdrivers. 1, 2, 3, 4. This number's 2, this is 3, this is 4. Circle the 4. Let's count the hammers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The numbers down here are 5, 6, 7. We need a 6. Circle the 6. Now let's count the tools over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The first number here is a 7. Let's circle it. Great job. Now over here, let's take a look and put these in order. The hippo is mixing things. The hippo's eating a cookie. The hippo's putting the batter in the oven. So the first thing you need to do is mix your ingredients. So the first is a 1 in the box. Next, after you mix it up, you have to cook it. This is 2 because he is cooking it. So after he does mixing, the next thing is the baking. That's a 2. And the last thing he will do is eat it. So this will be a number 3. Now let's look down here. There is a broken vase on the floor. The flowers had fallen. And here you just have a cat and a dog looking at each other. And here the cat and dog are playing around, and it looks like they're knocking something over. So first, the plant is nice in the vase. That would be 1 first. Then the cat and dog start getting happy and having fun and accidentally knock over the vase. So that will be 2. And after it falls to the floor in pieces, that's last. That's going to be a 3. This page we have tracing. We have the numbers 6. We have the number 7. We have the number 8. We have the number 9. And we have the number 10. So you're going to write those numbers 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 all by yourself. Try to write it and fill up the spaces. Over here, we need to cross off what does not belong. You have a toy, a bone, a toy, a toy. The bone is not a toy. We will put a crisscross X because it does not belong. This is something you drink. This is something you eat. This is something you eat. This is something you play with. And this is something you eat. So which one of these do you not eat? That's right, the airplane. Great job. Over here you have a bone, and you have a fruit, and you have a doghouse, and you have a dog, and you have a dog toy. A lot of these things are for the dog, but dogs don't eat pears, so we cross out the pear. It does not belong. Here is a basket. Here is a pirate. Here is a pirate chest. Here is a pirate boat. Here is an island where pirates look for treasure. So, the picnic basket is not something a pirate will use. We put an X on it. Now, the last page here has patterns. So the pattern here is rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. Let's take a look what comes in front of rectangle. So when we say rectangle after circle. Rectangle after is circle. Rectangle, then after will be a circle. Good job. Here we have a tricky pattern. There are 3 shapes. Circle, triangle, star. That is your pattern. Circle, triangle, star. Circle, triangle. That's right, star. So here's another way. Square. I think I was saying circle. Square, square, triangle, triangle, star, star. Square, triangle, star. Square, triangle, star. And that's what we're going to draw here. Good. Now down here, the pattern is triangle, square, square. Triangle, square, square. That's where it ends. Then it repeats. Triangle, square. That's right, square. So patterns can be different shapes or different pictures, but they take turns happening. Well, you did an amazing job following along. This was much longer than our regular workbook, but I'm sure you were able to do it. Till next time, bye.